From the patient data tab, we have now moved on to the list of treatment programs. What we're going to do first is select PONS TEP, and there is no need to complete any of the other fields as they are completed for you. We will then click Create New Treatment Program. Once we have done this, we are taken to this welcome page. In order to perform a test, you should select Enter Test Form Data tab. In this tab, we click Pre-Program first, and you should complete the fields prior to starting the treatment program. Also, in the Enter Test Form Data tab, we will be clicking Post Program, and you will do the exact same thing. You will be completing the fields, but this time it would be at the completion of the treatment program. Once we go back to Test Data, on the right-hand side of this main page, we will see something which is called the protocol tree. In the protocol tree, tests have been grouped together under group headers. You can open and close each group by clicking the little gray box on the left-hand side of the title. So this would be closed and this would be open. Tests have been listed in the expected order. However, you can proceed in any order you wish. In protocol info, which is this one, the subheader in this case is info. This test allows you to input testing dates for baseline, second baseline, week 6, week 10, week 14, and the 6-month reevaluation. If we close this up, we will now be talking about the rest of these group headers. So the group headers baseline, end of phase 1, week 6, week 10, week 14, 6-month reevaluation. These group headers will all consist of the same tests. So if we go into, let's say, week 6, you will see these tests. And you can see that if you click week 10 right after it, it will consist of the exact same tests. You will be repeating the same test for all the tests under each subheader. If you wanted to enter a test, you would just select here and you would complete all the required fields. Once you're done, you can move on to the next test and so on. When an assessment is created, all groups and tests are locked. You will see the locked or unlocked symbols in the protocol tree right here. The data is read only when a test is locked. Only the user who locked the data can unlock the data. This prevents document adjustments or tampering by unauthorized individuals. To be able to lock and unlock, click the lock icon right beside the titles of the headers. Say we want to unlock this. You can see that this is the unlock symbol and this is the lock symbol. To see who has locked a test, click on one of the headers in the protocol tree. Say we click baseline. Right now, all of the tests in baseline are unlocked. You can also lock all of the tests in baseline. And you can also individually lock or unlock some tests. A list of all the tests in the group will be displayed, including who has locked a test. So right here on this side, you can see that All of these tests are locked except for DGI. If you want to mark a test as complete, use the checkboxes. You can check off full headers. This automatically selects all the subheaders. As you can see here, all the subheaders are now selected as complete. Users can also select subheaders individually if they would like as well. If we move on to generate report, you can click the triangle to open up these group headers. Our first step to generating a report would be to click Report Generator and then click Generate Report. Once we have done this, we would select a report that we would like to download. Say we want to select this one, we would press Download. You would see it downloading right here. Next, if you would like to rename your report, you can do that as well. You would enter a name you would like here and press Rename. And the final step is to upload your edited report. You would just choose File, and then you would click Upload.